What's up, everybody? Check out my car that was totaled. There it is. I was driving about 45 miles an hour. The roads were slick. Swerved to miss a deer that ran out in front of me. One deer runs out, second deer runs out. Oh my goodness. Second deer runs out. Car hits the ditch, I flip over. That's where it hit the ditch, I flip over, that's where it flipped. Oh my goodness. I woke up hanging out of this back windshield. A lesson to everyone. Just hit the deer. That's your lesson to everyone. Just hit the deer, alright? This is the last I'm going to see her. First new car. Still love her. Always will. I'm going to take a piece of her right now. Y'all take care. Taking the Honda emblem off with the screwdriver. As you can see, I'm in a sling. I can barely move, but y'all take care. Peace.